Welcome to the Beginner's Guide to Afterpay Credit Card, a payment method that allows you to shop now and pay later. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the process of using Afterpay, its benefits, and best practices to manage your account effectively. First, let's start with the basics. Afterpay is a buy now pay later service that allows you to make purchases online or in store and pay for them in 4 interest-free installments. To use Afterpay, you need to sign up for an account on their website or through their mobile app. Once you have signed up, you can browse through Afterpay's partner stores, which include popular brands and retailers. When you find something you want to purchase, simply select Afterpay as your payment method at checkout. You will then be prompted to log in to your Afterpay account and confirm your payment schedule. Afterpay will split your purchase into 4 equal installments, due every 2 weeks. You can view your payment schedule and make payments through the Afterpay app or website. It's essential to make your payments on time, as late fees may apply if you miss a payment. One of the benefits of using Afterpay is that it allows you to budget and manage your expenses effectively, since you know exactly how much you need to pay and when. You can plan your finances accordingly. Additionally, Afterpay does not charge interest on your purchases, making it a more affordable option than traditional credit cards. To use Afterpay responsibly, it's crucial to only spend what you can afford to repay. Make sure you have enough funds in your account to cover your installments, and set reminders to ensure you never miss a payment. It's also essential to review your payment schedule regularly and update your account information if needed. In conclusion, Afterpay Credit Card is a convenient and affordable way to shop now and pay later. By following these steps and best practices, you can use Afterpay effectively and manage your finances responsibly. Remember to always make your payments on time, budget your expenses, and review your account regularly to avoid any issues. With Afterpay, you can enjoy the benefits of buy now pay later shopping while maintaining control over your finances.